Hello dear friends, look at this. This is my newly purchased air fryer and this is my second purchase. Before this I was having another air fryer of Make Prestige and I am using that from last 3 years. No complaints about that. But I purchased it only to see how accurate and how efficient the this digital air fryer is. Or this time I opted for Havells. It's a good brand. So this is Havells Prolife Digi air fryer. The consumption of this air fryer is 1230 watt. I mean 1230 watts it consumes when we operate it. Other air fryers are of 1400 or say 1500 watts, which may give more heat and cook the food in a lesser time. But let me see how it works because I haven't used it yet, and whatever I will cook in it, that would be my first preparation in this air fryer. And as shown in this pic, they have shown french fries and some nuggets on it. We generally purchase frozen food and keep it in our refrigerator and deep fry it when we want to eat. But if you don't want to consume oil, so air fryer is the best option for that. Not only that, you can make number of other dishes. I am using it, as I said earlier, from 3 years and have tried so many dishes in it, from chicken to french fries and air frying vegetables, anything you can do in this. Even I bake pizza in it for my grandson. So let me tell you how it operates and how it works. Here I have plugged it in and switch on, and a beep comes up, and mode function of this air fryer is glowing now. It's blinking. So when we touch this mode, here we see the timer at 0000 and 200 degrees centigrade is the temperature what appears on the screen. So other buttons which are there, this one is for timer if you want to add more minutes in this, and this one is minus timer if you want to reduce the time. The other two buttons are call, then off, and then on. If now from this one we need to fix some time as well. So when I press this button, timer plus, this temperature is set on 200 degrees centigrade and it is for 1 minute. And if I reduce it, if press the button minus timer, the time will again come to 0. So if I want to run it for 10 minutes, then I have to press it 10 times. Look at this. As I am pressing the button, the timer is going on and it is now for 10 minutes, and the option of timer is given from 1 minute to 60 minutes as it is mentioned in the features of this air fryer. And as far as temperature is concerned, when we press the button mode again, it will come to 150, and the range of the temperature is from 150 to 200, and we keep on pressing, it will raise the temperature to 160, 170, 180, 190 and 200. So it means we can fix the temperature from 150 degrees centigrade to 200 degrees centigrade. So now as the timer and the temperature are fixed, I just need to press the button on. Yes, you may hear the voice, it started. And if I will not switch it off or press the button off, it will automatically would be switched off and after 10 minutes. So these are the options we can have of fixing time and temperature. So let me tell you about the other features as well. As it is mentioned on the box, first of all they mentioned advanced hot air technology for healthier cooking. As this chamber is very small, so heat will move from every corner, so the things which we place in it would be cooked properly. The capacity of the pan is 4 liters. So it is a 4 liter capacity. As I said earlier, it is automatically shut off because the timer is given there. Digital controls, LED display, timer which I already explained. It is from 0 to 60 minutes. Temperature control is also there, and there is 2-year warranty of this product. So these are the features, and as far as quality of the air fryer is, it is really very good. It appears very good, as Hevells is a good name, is a good brand. That's why I opted for Hevells this time, but I have to see how it works, and I will give its review after using it for quite some time. Now I want to tell you how it works and how we need to use it. Here a button is given. If you pull it like this, the bucket will not come out, and when we slide this against the wall, it came out. Look at this. This is the basket or the bucket they have provided with this air fryer, and there is another button. When we press it, here is another button. When we press it, we can bring it out like this. So this is of 4 liter capacity, as it is mentioned, and number of vents and other holes are there which are giving it provision to move the air from here and there, from nook to corner, every nook and corner, and to cook the things properly. So I will fix it here again. Yes, it is there now. It is fixed, and you can place whatever you want to air fry in this basket or bucket, and then, as I mentioned, the functions of this: run it for the specified minutes. I cooked so many dishes, as I said, and I will give you the link of those, but those I cooked in air fryer which was of Prestige, so I have to use it for the first time. I will cook more and more dishes in it, and will let you know, and will give the links of those dishes or recipes. So this is a space where I have to insert it again. So it's going in. Yes, and as the timer is already fixed, which I did earlier, so here I am press it. Yes, it started working. So this is how it works, and whenever I will make any of the dish for the first time, I will share it with you as well. So this is my new air fryer. I am gonna use it. Winters are almost on, and I have plenty to do in it. Thank you very much.